Dizasolutions in the building. So in today's video, I want to share with you how you can send your BNB to Trust Wallet from Binance to Trust Wallet. This happens maybe you want to buy a coin that is not in any other place but on Trust Wallet and you need BNB to buy it. So tap on this BNB, this that I circled, you tap on it and you wait for it to load. We are waiting for the next page to load. Okay, hold on, let me go to Trust Wallet because I need to go copy the wallet's address here. So if you're on Trust Wallet, you will not see what I'm showing you right now, but this screenshot will help you. So this is the BNB that you will tap on Trust Wallet. So you tap on this BNB that is circled because there are two BNB on this Trust Wallet. So tap on this BNB with this logo. Okay, tap on it and it will bring you to this page. Remember, we are still on Trust Wallet, so you click on copy. This copy means you've copied the address. So it is this address that will be sending that BNB to. All right, so now I'll be going back to Binance. All right, it is from Binance I'll be sending the BNB down to Trust Wallet. So that is why I need to copy the address of Trust Wallet. So now once I tap on that BNB, it brought me here. I'll click on withdrawal. Click send via crypto network and this page will open. Okay, if you don't get it, watch it one more time, you will get it. All right, so just follow me step by step. So I've pasted the address that I copied from Trust Wallet. I want to be sure I copied the right thing. Okay, so once you paste it, it will automatically show like this. All right, so now the amount of BNB that you want to send depends on you. If it's everything, you click on max. If it's everything, you click on max. If it is a particular, you just type it there and click on withdrawal. All right, so once you tap on withdrawal, another page will show. Okay, so you click on confirm. If you're okay with everything there, check the address if it's correct and the network. Okay, so you click on confirm. So on this channel, we talk about make money, tech tutorials, and life-changing topics. Okay, so now I clicked on send code. So I'll go to my email to fetch the code that has been sent to me. Okay, always click on that send code. If you do not click on send code, the code will not be sent to you. So you click on send code, then it will start counting down. So right now I'm on the Gmail to fetch the code because it where is it? Okay, it's still loading. So we talk about that. So still loading. So now you can see this number 463220. So I'll copy it. That's the code. I'll minimize and send and paste it here. Okay, it's like I didn't copy it very well. Let me go back. Okay, let me copy again and minimize and paste it right in here. Okay, so now let me click on send code for the upper part. This one will be sent to my message. So okay, that's arrived. I'll copy it. I'll paste it there. Then click submit. So once you click on submit, your request has been submitted. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. So that is how to send your BNB to Trust Wallet. Bye.